Students, page number 17, third paragraph. The previous lecture we had seen पूरा चांद निकला, तो बाहर झांक के देखना मना है, क्योंकि डरना जरूरी है. अब one night Mahendra was woken up from his sleep by a low moan. Moan is a painful sound. किसी की रोने की, कराने की आवाज. दुखियारा कोई रो रहा है, और ये कोई इंसान नहीं, कोई रूह है. कहां से आ रही है? क्लोज टू हिज विंडो, खिड़की के बगल से. At first, he put it down to a cat prowling around for mice. वो अपने मन को तसल्ली दे रहा है कि कोई बिल्ली होगी, किसी चूहे को दबोच लिया, इसलिए चूहा तड़प रहा है. तड़प के उसकी रोने की आवाज आ रही है. But the sound was too guttural, hoarse, very strong, manly for a cat. He resisted the curiosity to look out. He resisted the curiosity to look out. He prevented. Resisted means he did not dare to look outside the window. Lest means what? Else. Old English. Lest else he should behold to a sight which would stop his heart. अगर वो खिड़की से अभी बाहर देखता, ऐसी आवाजें सुनने के बावजूद 100% बच्चा लोग उसका हार्ट अटैक हो जाता. श्योर शॉट हार्ट अटैक. But the wailing became louder and less feline. Wailing is crying noise of some creature. It became louder. और जोर से आवाज आ रही है. लेकिन feline मतलब कैट जैसा आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. Feline is cat species. He could not resist. वो अपने आप को रोक नहीं पाया. He could not resist the temptation anymore. वो जानना चाहता था है क्या आखिर. What did he do? Lowering himself to the level of the window sill. Window sill is what? Edge of the window. Suppose window starts from here, so he lowered his head so that he cannot be seen by outside ghost. So he lowered his head to the edge of the window sill. He looked out at the white sheet of moonlight. हिम्मत करके is trying to see skywards, bright moonlight, milky light, which he always loved otherwise. There, दूर, not too far, ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं, was a dark, cloudy form. कोई परछाई दिखाई दी उसको. Shadow, clutching, जोर से ऐसा हाथ में ऐसा बंडल पकड़ा हुआ. Clutching a bundle. महेंद्र broke into a cold sweat. पसीना छूट गया महेंद्र का. See, after sweating, perspiring, body feels suddenly what? Cool. Of course, because fan was on. He fell back on the pillow. Panting, breathing heavily. सांसें फूल गई उसकी महेंद्र की. As he gradually recovered from the ghastly experience. Ghastly is what? Frightened experience. He began to reason with himself. वो अपने आप से बात कर रहा है. पागल नहीं हुआ, लेकिन बात कर रहा है. What is talking to himself about? And he finally concluded that it must have been some sort of auto-suggestion. Auto-suggestion means what? Trick of mind. ये उसका दिमाग उससे खेल रहा है. कुछ भूत भूत नहीं हो सकता, as he believed earlier. His mind is playing some mind game with him, some trick that his subconscious mind had played on him. By the time he had got up in the morning, had a bath, and came out to have his breakfast, the horror of the previous night had faded from his memory. Faded मतलब वो भूल गया, क्योंकि वो अपने पूरे होशों में हवास में नहीं था. राइट ये सब हुआ तभी वॉज इन सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. ईश्वरन एज यूजुअल ग्रीटेड हिम एट द डोर विथ हिज लंच पैकेट. साहब आपका खाना रेडी, और उसका बैग भी तैयार था. एंड इज बैग जस्ट एज महेंद्र वॉज स्टेपिंग आउट, महेंद्र घर के बाहर पैर रखने का कोशिश किया. ईश्वरन ग्रिन्ड एंड सेड, ग्रिन मतलब अ ब्रॉड स्माइल. क्या साहब, remember the other day when I was telling you about the female ghost with a fetus in its arms? You were so angry with me for imagining things. जब मैं आपको बोला कि मुझे वो डायन दिखती है डरावनी, मैं बहुत डरता हूँ, तब आपको लगा मैं मजाक कर, आप मेरे पे हंस रहे, कोई भूत भूत नहीं होता. और कल रात को आप छोटे बच्चे की तरह रोया, पूरा तकिया गीला किया. You wetted your pillow. Well, you saw her yourself last night. और आपने जब खुद अपनी आंखों से देखा कल रात को. I came running, hearing the sound of mourning. आपका रोने का बच्चे जैसा रो रहा था. It awakened me. मैं भाग के आपके पास आया देखने के लिए आप कैसा ठीक है कि नहीं. That was coming from your room. A chill went down Mahendra's spine. A chill. Mahendra was completely silent. How come Ishwaran has come and seen him being afraid and crying like a small baby? This is not good. Mahendra was, after all, his officer, senior officer, and Ishwaran was only a cook. He did not wait for Ishwaran to complete his sentence. But Mahendra, very clever, he did not wait there. He did not stand at that place. He hurried away to his office and handed his papers. Underline that phrase, students. Handed his papers means he resigned from his job, resolving, कसम खाया, to leave the haunted place. ये जो शापित जगह है जहाँ आत्माएं भूत वगैरह दिखाई देता, स्कल्स चलते फिरते ईश्वरन को दिखता था, जो उसने बोला था, resolved to leave this haunted place the very next day. क्यों रुकेगा? जान है तो जहाँ है, जिंदा रहेगा तो आगे काम करेगा. लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स, two things he did on that day. Mahendra, he not only resigned of his job, but at the same time he broke away his relation with Ishwaran fellow, that crackpot, once and for all. क्या पता कभी और नया भूतिया स्टोरी सुना दे और ये आदमी महेंद्र जो बैचलर, शादी नहीं हुआ भी उसका, सीधा परलोक सिधार जाए. महेंद्र पढ़ा लिखा आदमी, गंवार नहीं है. He cannot risk his life. Though Ishwaran was what? A very good cook, a good helping hand, and a good story teller.